Hi guys, welcome back. Friends, these are the cherry tomatoes which I have grown on my terrace in two rectangular pots. Today I am here to give you a detailed information on how we can grow cherry tomatoes at home in 2 months time. We can either grow these by sowing the seeds or by planting saplings. To sow the seeds, you have to spread the seeds of cherry tomatoes in a pot and then cover it with a thin layer of soil. Water it thoroughly, and after that, keep it moist. When the saplings become 3 to 4 inches tall, you have to shift those in bigger pots. For the cherry tomatoes I am showing you today, I had used the saplings which I had got from the nursery. I planted 4 cherry tomato saplings in the 2 crates on my terrace on 26 September 2021. You can see that those saplings grew so nicely and healthy. This is the update of 6th October, just 15 days after I planted them. And this is how they looked on 9th of October. After that, I am giving you their update on 27th of November when they are almost ready to be harvested. While I am showing you the cherry tomatoes in clusters and bunches, let me tell you about the things which we have to keep in mind while growing cherry tomatoes in pots at our homes. We should remove the dead leaves from our plants regularly so that the plant's energy is utilized on the growth of tomatoes and not on providing nutrition to the leaves which have already dried up. Secondly, we have to rake the soil of these pots at least once in a week. I'll tell you why we should do this. In a tomato plant, roots come out from its stem. As we rake the soil becomes loose and air circulation becomes better, which helps in the developing of more roots. Next, we should use organic fertilizers so that the plant gets nutrition and healthy cherry tomatoes grow on the plants. We should also use organic pesticides so that our cherry tomato plants are disease free and are healthy. I am able to get many cherry tomatoes from my plants today, that is on 29th November 2021. Why am I feeling so happy about it? It's not that I'm saving a lot of money, but the basic reason is that I'm able to grow these organic tomatoes which are 100% free from chemical fertilizers and pesticides. I agree we can't grow everything we eat, but then it doesn't mean that we shouldn't grow anything. We should try to stay away from the food which is grown using chemicals and should try to feed ourselves and our families with organically grown food as far as possible. I'll be able to harvest these cherry tomatoes at different intervals, as you can also see and guess that they'll grow at different times. Friends, do you also grow cherry tomatoes at your home or are planning to do so? I'll be happy to know about it. I hope you enjoyed today's episode on terrace gardening. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.